Good morning, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Thompson, and I'm so happy to be reading you one of the gingerbread stories this morning. This morning, we're going to read The Ninjabread Man. And as we're reading, I want you to think about who the characters are in this story, what the refrain is. A refrain, boys and girls, is something that keeps repeating over and over again throughout the story. So, what those repeated words are in the story and how the story ends. So here's our story for today. It's called The Ninjabread Man by C.G. Lee. Once upon a time, there was a little old sensei who taught ninjas in a hidden dojo. Think about where they are in this story, boys and girls. The group trained hard to be the strongest, fastest, smartest, and sneakiest ninjas in the land. Sensei was very proud of his students. So proud that one night he made them a special treat, ninja bread. Ninja bread was an age-old recipe passed down from sensei to sensei. It took a lifetime to master. Once baked, the cookies contained many mysterious powers. They were also dangerously delicious. The sensei mixed the batter, rolled the dough, and shaped the ninja bread into a tiny sword and throwing stars. Then Sensei crafted the gingerbread man. Once done, he carefully placed the tray into the oven. Finally, as Sensei opened the oven door to check the ninja bread, what do we think is going to happen next? Pow! One leaped, the gingerbread man alive and kicking. Sensei was surprised to hear the cookie speak. The time has come to set your students. Now they must try as best they can. They can't beat me. I'm the Ninjabread Man. With a crack and a flash, the Ninjabread Man disappeared in a cloud of sugar dust. Sensei sounded the gong as a warning to his ninjas. Tonight they faced the greatest challenge of their lives. Ninja Bear was balancing on one finger when he heard the gong. Suddenly, a sweet scent filled the night air. Danger was near. With a crack and a flash, a cookie figure stood before him and announced, try as best you can. You can't beat me. I'm the Ninjabread Man. I got past Sensei, escaped in the night, and I'll defeat you too. I can. I can. Ninjabread Man, shouted Ninja Bear, you will make a mighty morsel. What's a morsel? What's that bear want to do to the gingerbread? Let's see. With a running roar, Ninja Bear charged, but the Ninjabread Man jumped out of the way, and Ninja Bear lost his balance. Then with a bow, the Ninjabread Man escaped into the night. Come back, yelled Ninja Bear, but the cookie had disappeared. Ninja Snake was throwing stars in the forest when she sensed Sensei's warning. The bamboo swayed in the wind. Danger was near. Suddenly, a cookie figure stood before her and announced, try as best you can. You can't beat me. I'm the Ninjabread Man. I got past Sensei, escaped in the night. I dodged Ninja Bear in the pale moonlight, and I'll defeat you too. I can. I can. Think about that pattern. Ninjabread Man, hissed Ninja Snake. You will make a super snack. With a flick, flick, swish, Ninja Snake launched through her throwing stars. But the Ninja-bread man was too fast. He launched a cookie star ninja attack of his own. Then with a bow, the Ninja-bread man escaped into the night. "Come back," yelled Ninja Snake, but the cookie had disappeared. Ninja Mouse was training with his sword when the warning gong rang. Ninja Mouse heard someone tiptoeing around. Danger was near. In the blink of an eye, a cookie figure stood before him and announced, Try as best you can. You can't beat me. I'm the Ninja-bread man. I got past Sensei, escaped in the night. I dodged Ninja Bear in the pale moonlight. I slipped past Ninja Snake in a throwing star fight, and I'll defeat you too. I can. Man, squeaked Ninja Mouse, you make a nice nibble. Ninja Mouse sprang forward, but the Ninja-bread man tricked the mighty mouse. Then with a bow, the Ninja-bread man escaped into the night. Come back, yelled Ninja Mouse, but the cookie had disappeared. Ninja Fox was sitting beside the great waterfall. He did not hear Sensei's warning. Ninja Fox gently hummed. I sense something dangerously delicious. With a crack and a flash, a cookie figure stood before him and announced, Try as best you can. You can't beat me. I'm the Ninja-bread man. I got past Sensei, escaped in the night. I dodged Ninja Bear in the pale moonlight. I slipped past Ninja Snake and made Ninja Mouse ache. And I'll outfox you too. I can. Sorry, said Ninja Fox. I didn't hear you. What did you say? The Ninja-bread man stepped closer and repeated, Try as best you can. You can't beat me. I'm the Ninja-bread man. I got past Sensei, escaped in the night. I dodged Ninja Bear in the pale moonlight. I slipped past Ninja Snake and made Ninja Mouse ache. And I'll outfox you. I can. I'm so sorry, said Ninja Fox, pretending he could not hear the cookie. The waterfall is so loud. What did you say? The Ninja-bread man took one final step closer. Following one quick movement, a cloud of sugar dust covered Ninja Fox. Ninja Bear, Ninja Snake, and Ninja Mouse came running out of the forest to find Ninja Fox. Was the Ninja-bread man gone? Far away in another hidden dojo, a little old sensei worked under the mystical moon, mixing, rolling, and shaping a Ninja-bread man. The end. So, boys and girls, I want you to think with your parents about the Ninja-bread man. How is this story different than other gingerbread stories that you have read? Who were the characters in this story? And what was the pattern? What kept repeating on every single page? And here is a picture of Mrs. Thompson's Ninja-bread man. I hope you guys have a great holiday. Thanks for letting me read.